So welcome back everyone, Mike here. I got so much going on today. I don't even really know what to tell you this video is about. But that walnut stump right there, I'm trying to give that away. You saw that short little video there last night. That's the stump. We'll see if it's here a week from now. But anyway, first on the agenda, I need to fill in this big hole here. But before I do that, I need to kind of pick through and get all those roots out. That walnut, it really had quite a root ball on it. And the roots extend out an awful long way. So I'd like to get most of that out of there. And then backfill this, get it tracked in. It's just outside the edge of the building, so it's not like the building's going to be sitting on top of that hole, but I should get it compacted pretty well. It's been hard though to get good compaction as dry as it is. You need a little bit of moisture, you know. They are saying maybe tomorrow, 60% chance of rain. Now they did say that the other day, and then they dropped it to 20%. And then now it's back up to 60%. I think mostly, you know, chance of some thunderstorms, so we'll see. So besides cleaning this hole up, I will also have to, I need a few more loads of shale brought up here. And I also need to finish grade everything, take this section of fence down right here. We'll just see how it goes today. I'm not even sure what all I'll record because I'm going to have about 8 hours of work and try to fit it into a 15 or 20 minute video, so we'll have to see. Maybe we'll just rip through this part here real quick. What do you think? A little time lapse or something? We'll get this hole done and move on to the next project.
Roll up my window, don't know where I'm bound. Driving by the river, there's a hole in the ground. Hand-me-down t-shirt, sticking on my back. Heading for a fall, had to get up to crawl. Time to stall.
walnut stumps out of the ground, got everything graded up there a little bit. I think next on the agenda, I'm going to move this walnut log. I'm going to see how big this is, how long it is, I should say. Yeah, I'm about 17.5 feet. I think what I'll do, I'll cut I'll get two 8-footers out of this, like 8 feet 6. This butt log down here, I'll saw it into 4/4 boards. And then maybe this spot here where it Y's out. Yeah, this piece here, I will, maybe some 8/4 live edge or something. Yeah, we'll see. It is Saturday morning though, so right now I think I'm going to surprise Hunter and take him somewhere. See what he'll do. He'll kind of start walking around over there in the distance and keeping his eye on me, start thinking, when can we go somewhere? And he hasn't been putting the pressure on yet, so what I like to do sometimes is just kind of surprise him. I'll go in and be like, hey, let's go somewhere. And he gets all excited and we get in the truck. Take off for a little bit. Maybe we'll hit up BK, get him a chicken sandwich or something, and then I'll come back and get to work.
Okay, so we're picking up sticks, throwing them in the dump trailer for Mike while he took the excavator down below. So I think we have a little bit of have fun with it while he's gone.
So I went down and got some more fill ready to bring up, and you guys did a fantastic job.
I think so.
Were the girls out here helping?
Yes, they were. They just left a few minutes ago, and I just thought I'd get the rake and, you know, it's like combing the knots out of my hair after a shower. I just,
I think what I'll do is,
comb my hair, but...
What do you think? Maybe I should take Hunter somewhere. I was going to earlier and I never did.
He came out and helped us.
Nice.
I was explaining how the concrete part of the driveway up by the garage, if it has a twig or stick, he picks it up, takes it aside by the hedges and the trees that Mike did leave over there, and throws over the fence. One day I saw something that I thought was a nest. I'm like, what the heck? And I realized that's the POW that he's been picking everything up, throws it over there. He picked it up and he threw it in the dump trailer, and a few times he didn't like that. But we got him to walk across this log. Back and forth. Yeah, he has excellent balance.
And look at you and your bare feet here.
It's just easier in this. It's like walking on the sand almost.
Yeah.
This is so soft. My boots are just clumping around.
Well, what I'll do, I'll take Hunter somewhere. Okay. This is fantastic. I mean, I'm ready to roll now.
He just needs I just think he needs a drink. He had lunch.
Okay. And then what I'll do, I'll move this log.
Okay.
We're gonna get 2 nice 8-footers out of this one. And I'll move this, clean up this little bit that's left. Yeah. Then I'm going to take this powdery stuff off of here. Okay. And I got a nice big pile of shale. It's not quite as coarse as that stuff I put over there, so it'll be nice to top everything with. Okay. Cut grade, and it'll be ready to go.
Yeah, let me know when you're going to do that. I can bring the BX out and get this in the bucket and dump it.
That'll work. Matter of fact, while we have a half a load in the dump trailer, yeah, I'll probably take some of those roots and stuff down to the burn pit.
Makes sense.
Although we can't burn for a while.
No, not here.
That's unbelievable.
Other townships surrounding us can, but we can't.
I've always bragged about
living where we live. You
can just burn anytime you want, and this is the one. And even if they didn't tell us that you couldn't burn, I wouldn't burn right now.
No, I don't think anyone with the right mind would.
It is dry.
I know.
Man, that's great. I'm excited because this is going to be ready to go here by tomorrow, like the whole thing.
All right.
And the walnut tree, yes, we miss it, but boy, that really opens that up over there, doesn't it? You know where the walnut tree was?
Yeah.
to have a road come around this.
Well, and that part of the fence is going to be gone, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah. I got to work on that fencing.
Yeah. All right. Sounds good. Thanks for your help.
Yep.
All right, I got that load of sticks and roots taken down. Now I'm going to get the MX 5400. I'm going to smooth that up over there a little bit and roll it in. And I may take a little bit of this dust off the top of this and then just kind of cap this with some of that shale. If it does rain, I mean, eventually it has to, right? This would just turn to slime, you know, the top couple inches. So I'm going to get this off of here while I have the chance. All right, I've been hauling loads up to the building pad. I only need one, maybe two more dump trailer loads. But what I was doing here is kind of stockpiling some of that shale. I could use some of this out on the trails and in a few different places where I need a little bit of fill. So I figured I'd make a nice pile here. I'll be able to get to it with the tractor whenever I need it. Because with the tractor, I wouldn't be able to do this. That's the good stuff you see down in there. Now what I've been doing here is kind of flip-flopping material, like underneath the excavator and the whole way back to where that pile is right there, I had a hole about that deep. And then what I do, I take that kind of clay shale and that stuff up in there, backfill it with it, compact it. And eventually when I'm done here, I'll have about another 15 feet of room over this way. So this video is probably going to run kind of long, so I think I'll wrap this video up right here. Like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.